The Helicobacter test Infai is a safe and non-invasive breath test determining the current status of gastroduodenal Helicobacter pylori infection. The sensitivity and specificity exceeds serological and endoscopic biopsy testing. In 1997, after extensive multicentric trials, the Infai test kit was approved by the European Commission for marketing authorization to all countries of the European Union. Meanwhile, the Helicobacter test Infai was registered in over 40 countries worldwide. The kit includes the active ingredient 13C-urea, 4 breath sample containers, and a plastic straw to sample the breath. The leaflet with detailed information on how the test is administered is included in the package. It is easy to carry out the test, and in fact many patients could perform it themselves. However, we recommend that the test needs to be carried out under the supervision of a healthcare professional. The first thing we need to do is to prepare a breath sample. This can be performed by blowing via a bendable straw into the tube with the grey cap, and the tube is sealed carefully. The self-adhesive barcode for the 0-minute value is attached onto the sealed tube. This will be repeated for the second tube with grey cap in the same way. A patient needs a test meal to avoid rapid loss of 13C-urea from the stomach. The test meal consists of 1.0 grams citric acid, which is dissolved in 200 millilitres tap water and taken by the patient. Afterwards, a 75 milligram dose of 13C-urea is dissolved in 10 millilitres of tap water. The accurately dispensed and dissolved urea is transferred into a glass. This process is repeated twice to ensure the taking of 30 millilitres urea solution in total. After drinking the urea solution, the patient has to wait 30 minutes before the second set of breath samples can be taken. The second set is sealed with the blue stoppers. The self-adhesive barcode for the 30-minute value provided in the kit is then attached onto the sealed tube. This will be repeated for the second tube with blue cap in the same way. The patient information slip is then completed with the appropriate self-adhesive barcode, the date on which the test was carried out, a patient's identification, and the patient's date of birth. The Helicobacter test Infai is now complete, and the sample tubes, together with the patient's details, are returned to Infai or another qualified laboratory for analysis. Infai operates a specialised breath sample analysis facility. The latest analytical instrumentation combined with highly qualified personnel guarantee rapid processing of the samples to the most exacting standards. The breath samples received from hospitals and general practitioners are prepared for analysis. Breath samples are analysed on a specialised isotope ratio mass spectrometer. A fully automated and barcode-guided system ensures error-free sample handling. The results of the Helicobacter test Infai are returned to the doctor by fax or mail. The breath sample can also be collected by using a breath bag instead of breath tubes. The analysis of the breath bags is performed by using a small infrared spectroscopy device. This is recommended for a small laboratory or hospital to receive the analysis results in a short time. Bag sample analysis can also be performed in medium-sized labs and hospitals using the Breath ID lab system. Once the batch is loaded, the operator can walk away. The system runs up to 10 tests per batch. Results are uploaded automatically to the information system, printed or sent by email. In Hagen, Infai installed a new automated production line. 13C-urea is precision dispensed into small vials in a specially designed filling station. The vials are inserted automatically into the test pack. The other components of the kit are added by computer-controlled robotic systems, ensuring the highest degree of quality control and error-free assembly. In the final stage of assembly, the pack is wrapped in tamper-evident cellophane film to ensure cleanliness and pack integrity until the test kit is used. With an annual capacity of more than 3 million breath tests, the Infai production line is one of the largest in the world. The kits are manufactured especially for each country. Modern warehouse and distribution systems guarantee minimum delivery times throughout the world.